enough Inkland? Think we enough land? Think we enough land?
We own enough land.
No.
No.
Think we enough Inkland?
Thick weed.
Ain't nothing about no weed. Ain't nothing. Where's weed?
Well, read it.
Think we enough Inkland? Inkland. Think.
No.
Think we enough Inkland? Think we enough England? You say, let me look away. Please God, say it one time, won't you?
He said, let me look away. Think we enough England?
You're saying it.
Ben Franklin.
No.
No, ain't nothing about no Ben.
Think we enough England?
Alright, flip a card. A noisemaker.
A noise maker.
Flip that card.
Thank you.
Lou Gehrig. Lou Gehrig. Don't tell me I won't get Lou Gehrig.